MTD CNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
We're here at Leigh UTC, Dartford in Kent. RK International have invited us. They've been instrumental in supplying machine tools to this facility to inspire young engineers. Let's take a look.
We opened in September 2014 last year, so we've currently got our first cohort of students going through. I've been involved in the project for 3 years as the project manager, and during that time I've been working with a range of businesses and industries within the engineering sector, and the sole purpose is to build a facility, a fantastic facility that we could equip with the type of engineering skills that the students who come to us will need if they're going to take up places and training within the local business sector.
Okay, so with regards to RK International's involvement, could you tell me a little bit more about that?
Yeah, RK International are a company we've worked with before on previous installations, and from day one I really wanted to work closely with them because we know that the kit and they use in engineering is used in a number of our local industries and also nationally, and we thought that at that stage if we could equip our facility with equipment from RK, we know that the students will be training themselves on equipment they will be using when they leave us and go and get jobs in industry.
So with regards to obviously the resource actually in the UTC, what are you looking to achieve over the next year or so?
The primary aim for us is to attract students, boys and girls, who have an aptitude for engineering. We realise from the business sector that there is a huge shortage of people coming through with the right skill set. And we see our role as trying to attract those at the age of 14. One of the big issues we have is that people generally just don't know we're here. Although we've got a fantastic facility centrally located in Dartford, it's about making people aware that we are here and we're ready to receive students from September every year.
Today we're here to introduce local engineering companies to the Leigh, as well as show them the latest machine tools available from RK International. What you see here are industrial type machines that are being used by the students of the next generation that we're training. RK International have invested over £350,000 of machine tools here at the Leigh. These include manual and CNC machines that are being used by the students, and it gives the students the ability to use industrial machines so that when they go out on job placement, which happens 1 day a week here at the Leigh, they're using industrial machines that within the training facility as well as in the industrial facilities that they're being trained within. It also allows them, when they apply for jobs in a few years' time, that they've got that experience of using industrial machines with FANUC controls, with Hyde and Hine controls. With support-wise, we did a total installation here, both on bringing the machines in, bolting them down, electrical connecting them with a contractor. We're now supporting them with product training, support service training on all the machines. We can respond so quickly because we're on the doorstep with regards to supporting the machines, lecturers and the technicians on the CNC side of machines as well at the moment.
I'm here with Harry. Harry, could you tell me why you chose to attend the Leigh UTC for your next step?
I decided to come to Leigh UTC because the facilities here were miles better than any sixth form college in the local area. And also the teachers here have a lot of experience in what we're doing. So they have experience in CAD design, actually working in industry, and they actually run businesses themselves. So they can actually give us an overview and insight to what it's actually like when you go into the real industry and you actually work.
I'm here to do my extended diploma. I'm trying to get a master's degree in engineering and automotive engineering. My dad's been working with race cars for years, and after seeing the facilities and some of the CAD sketches and the machinery that RK International has brought, I figured moving here would be the best option for me.
So we have work experience on Wednesdays and we get qualifications in AutoCAD software, so it gives us that special edge when we go to apply for a job.
So tell me, what's your best part of the actual course then?
Best part is actually when you go off-site, so you get to meet a lot of people, and the work they give you is actual projects, so you actually have feedback and actually meet with people, and the projects actually count and they're actually going to be used.
You'll probably see, looking around, the machinery is really, really top quality, a lot better than anything I've ever seen in any other workshop I've been in. So I'm hoping to advance my skills further and hopefully go for a master's in 2 sets of engineering.
I came here because I'm really interested in engineering. My family has a background in engineering, so it's been, when growing up, there's been a lot to do with engineering. As I was growing up, like on the TV, watching motorsport, and also engineering is not a static kind of area. There's a lot of competition, so there's always something new to look into, and it doesn't get boring because you're always trying to find the next special idea or technology that's coming into the market.
It's an important issue, making sure that the controllers we use, and in this case the Heidenhain controller, is what they would experience out in the workplace. So we work closely with RK to provide the machine, and we're working also very closely with Heidenhain, not just to provide the controller for this machine as you see here, but also to do simulation programs. So within the CAD systems around the UTC, we have a number of Heidenhain controllers where the students can design using that control package and then simulate it before they actually come out onto the shop floor and use the RK machine standing here before you.
So basically when they get into industry and their next jobs, effectively they can use both controls and know how to perform them at the best ability.
Yeah, I mean Heidenhain is obviously a good example of that, but it's not the only example. I mean, we decided very early on in the design process that we would use a number of different machines, and we'd also look at different controllers. And we also have here within the shop floor, we have a FANUC controller, and we also have simulation for Siemens as well.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.